Is there a hyaluronic acid product in your skincare regimen? Found naturally in the body, hyaluronic acid acts as a humectant to bind moisture to dehydrated skin. I use it daily in my practice in the form of dermal fillers, but it also has fantastic benefits as a skincare ingredient. On a surface level, hyaluronic acid helps skin temporarily appear firmer, smoother, and more youthful. It also helps balance oil production and maintain skin's hydration levels, making it a great moisturizer for any skin type. The best way to use a hyaluronic acid serum is to apply to skin that's still slightly damp after cleansing. This acts as a hydration booster, binding to water molecules and increasing the moisture content in your skin. There are so many different products out there that have hyaluronic acid, and it's a great addition to just about any regimen if you have either dry skin, skin that has been damaged, skin that it needs a little bit of TLC. I'm Dr. Joel Schlessinger, CEO of LovelySkin.com and a board-certified dermatologist and cosmetic surgeon. I hope you've enjoyed our hyaluronic acid lesson today, and more importantly, I hope you enjoyed it on your skin. Have a great day.